NVKBA Yak Boys out there. It's going to be ridiculous in terms of heat. It is hot out here now. So I created a little redneck version of what I wanted to do, kind of beat the heat. Most guys have umbrellas and all that stuff. But I'm going to show you my little project I just did so we can be safe on the water and not suffer too much. So here is the project. It is, believe it or not, an air conditioning unit. So here's what's inside, and the tube runs through ice cold water. It is controlled by that fan you see, and that fan blows hard, and it comes out of there right on back of me. And I'll show you here how this works. There's a switch I put. There it is. Going out, and let me show you how much air is blowing out. Here's a towel, and as you can see, it's blowing out pretty good. So, a lot of air, a lot of cold air. It's coming out. We're in 100 degree temperatures. That thing's coming out at 58 degrees. Right on the back of my neck, so something fun. It only cost me about maybe 60 bucks or something by the time I bought everything, but well worth it, well worth it. So, all right, let me show you what I'm going to use to build my AC unit for my Vibe kayak. You can put in any kayak if you want, but I'm going to take the cooler and I'm going to run that 4-inch, it's really dryer pipe, really, and flex it inside the cooler. What I'm going to use to blow it here, this is a bilge blower for a boat. You can get this for like 30 bucks at any marine store. You can get it on Amazon and what have you. And what we're going to do is going to create kind of like a tornado effect and blow as max air as we can. And we're going to compress it from a 4-inch to a 1.5 inch blowing cycle through taking this 4-inch pipe, putting it from a 4-inch to a 3-inch, right? And then we're going to take a 3-inch coupling to a 1.5 inch, and we're going to blow that air out on the side, and it's going to hopefully be cool. So anyway, this is what I got for electrical. I got a toggle switch and then an amp, and I'm gonna run it to a 12-volt battery, kayak battery actually, and hopefully we'll have cool AC. So what I'm gonna do is, I won't show you, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a 4-inch hole right through there, and then I'm gonna mount this bilge to the side, and then I'm gonna run this pipe from the outside to the inside, coil it around inside, right? I'm gonna have 4-inch coil inside on the bottom, and then I'm gonna drill a hole out for here, for 1.5 inch pipe, and then my seat goes here. So I'm gonna take that pipe and kind of put it out so that cold air blows on my neck. So that's what I'm gonna do. We'll see what happens. doing is I've got the hose is going to come in to this end, and then I got a 3-inch pipe going to be clasped to this, and then got a adapter from a 3-inch coupling to a 1.5-inch coupling, and this is what's going to basically make the air flow even better. So that's how it's done. All right, everybody, here is the insides of it. You've got basically kind of like a jet engine type effect. You got the air blown in here, it goes through there, and inside the cooler you can see it coils up, and there's going to be a bunch of ice in there, and there's just a bunch of connections from a 4-inch to a 3-inch down to a 1.5-inch, and then just elbows up and it goes out to there, and there's the seat. It's going to blow right on the back of my neck. So you know, I didn't glue those down because I want to be able to have the flexibility of moving that wherever I want to go to, maybe even adding another pipe if I wanted to, kind of an extension. If I wanted to maybe elbow out to the right and blow on my face, I could do that too. So anyway, I'm going to hook it up. I'll show you how it's hooked up, and hopefully we will get this thing running here soon.